Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about how to do your first yougov survey. In the last video we talked about how to register your yougov account, and in this video we are going to just do our first yougov survey, which is going to be about some minutes. This is how it will look like after your registration. Either they send it immediately or they send it after within 24 hours. You normally get this within the first 48 hours of your registration. All right, so this is how the email looks like your first yougov survey. Hello, welcome to start blah, 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 and the rest, and then you click on this button here to do this survey, this complete registration button to do the survey. All right, so what we're going to do is this. When we first started, I showed you guys how to load your peer proxy accounts and also how to generate IP, and then also how to connect to your proxy. All right, so we're going to put everything to practical use right here. So the first thing we're going to be doing now, currently my IP is showing in Nigeria. I'm not connected to any proxy also. So the first thing we're going to do is this, very simple. I will go log into your peer proxy account. All right, let us go and log into a peer proxy. Peer proxy. Okay. So now what we're going to do now is generate our IP. So we'll click on this endpoint generator here. I've showed you. If you've not watched that video, you go back to the video and watch. Endpoint generator. Then we whitelist. We'll click on the whitelist IP because that user IP we can take it to any country. So we use the whitelist IP. Then we'll search for GB. You click on go GB. Sorry, I love GBP. That currency is mad. Okay, we select sticky, then generate a link. Okay, now that we've generated a link, we'll open the link. Then we'll click on, here are the IP addresses that we're going to use. We'll click on them, copy. Then we go back and look for our our Tuntu tab. Okay, click on Tuntu tab, open your Tuntu tab. Okay, then this is the IP I was connected to before. Let me close it. It's definitely offline now, so I'll paste the new IP and connect. Show me adverts. This is what people will kill me with advert now. Okay, it's connected. Okay, that's the main thing. Alright, after connection, you know what to do, right? The next thing you have to do is just check your IP and make sure you are already connected to the UK. Okay, alright, I'm connected to the UK 90%. I haven't changed my time, it's not bad. Okay, so we open incognito. So what you do next is go back to the email they sent you. Load now. Stop doing younger. Now you go back to this email. You see this button, this complete registration button here. You hold it down for like 3 seconds. Then you click on this copy URL. Click on copy URL. Click on copy URL and copy the URL. Alright. This is how you are going to be doing for every survey they send you. Click on copy URL and copy the URL. Then you go back. Alright. After copying, you go back to the incognito. You know how to open incognito, right? Let me show you again. Click on these 3 dots here. Then you see new incognito tab. Alright. New incognito. You can draw this new incognito tab here. That's what you're going to be clicking on. Click on it. Now you have opened an incognito tab. So you've copied the link before. Now you're going to enter the link you copied before. Okay, let me check my clipboard. Okay, here's the link I copied before. Alright, So let's enter. It is loading. She is loading. Okay, here is your first survey. After this survey, they will give you 100 points. Alright, like I told you before. Okay, is your gender, is the gender you identify with the same as the sex registered at birth? Yes. Okay, continue. If you are transgender, you can pick your transgender. Your ethnic group. Okay, since the profile I used to do the registration, if you can recall, it was Linda James, right? So we'll go with English, white. Okay, continue. What is the highest educational? What is the highest educational? So we go with university education. Okay, let's have to for university education. Okay, university education, university. The person has a B.Ed, right? Okay, working full time. The profile I'm using, this person is a teacher. Okay, so working full time. Professional or higher, what's it called? Please tell us the following options describe. So now, since I picked a teacher, you see professional or higher technical work. I'll pick this, the first one. Alright. So just select all and continue. So now they are going to ask you to write about, maybe like, give us your thoughts. Please give us your thoughts on a topic that's been on your mind. All right. A few examples: what's happening in sports that follow? What's happening in a sport that you follow? Your favorite show or something that's been in the news recently. Okay, recently there's something that's been in the news, like Donald Trump and the Ukrainian president have one small issue like that. So let me just talk about that. All right. Okay, I think Donald. I think Trump is acting is a little bit harsh on the Ukrainian president. On the Ukrainian president is that is not the way to handle peace talks. Alright. Okay, let me just stop here. Even if it's not so I'm typing, just when you get to this point, just calm down and type in something reasonable, okay? But since this is a proper account, I can just do whatever I want to type, blah blah blah, and the rest. Okay. Nearly there. Okay, so how did you find this questionnaire? I found the questionnaire to be interesting. And did you experience any technical problems? No, I didn't. How was it? It was excellent. Do you have any comment, Emike? I don't have any comment. I beg. Oh, I give my 100 points, baby. Accept cookies. I always accept my cookies, don't worry. Yeah. First survey done and dusted. Now we have 150 points. Initially when we finish filling the profile, we have 50 points, right? For registration, we have 50 points. Now for this survey, we have an extra 100 points. That's making it 150 points. Our target is to reach what? 5,000 points, and 5,000 points is going to, well, for how many points left? 4,850 points left. So what of survey to do? All right, So the next thing you do is go here, click on this. I think I've showed you guys before, right? Click on this profile icon. Here's the icon. Oh my god, where is my pen? Okay, click on this profile icon here by the top right. Okay, if you have not done this, click on it and personal details. All right, then click on edit, then edit your personal details. Okay, then once you're done, you save. Another important thing you do is your survey frequency. Make sure this survey frequency, make sure you set it to the most frequent way for them to be sending survey as often as possible. Set it so that they can send you survey whenever they have a survey. All right, I think that's all you have to do. So after this stage, you just have to just log out. You don't have any other thing to do. Just wait for YouGov to send you surveys. All right, wait for YouGov to send you more surveys. Whenever there is survey available, they'll send for you. The survey usually range from 50 points upward. You can do a survey of 50 points. So 5,000 points is going to give you, let's do some calculation here, how much you can get with a 50 point survey. 5,000 points is giving you 50, right? So 5,000 divided by 50 is going to be, what's it called, 100 points is 100. That means 100 points is going to give you £1. All right, so 100 points, if 100 points is going to give you £1, so 50 points is going to give you divided by 2, right? That's 50 points is going to give you 0.5 pounds. Okay, 0.5 pounds. All right, so if you do a 50 point survey, you are going to make 0.5 pounds, and this is the least they send for you per survey. Okay, so imagine they send you 50 points survey, then they send you some other. Sometimes, most of the times, I do get 100 point survey. I think the last survey I did was like 300 points, right? Yeah, I did a 300 point survey. So depending on the survey, the study that is available, that's how they send you survey. Okay, so if your profile is okay, if they are going to send you surveys well, if you have an account that they're sending survey well, you are supposed to make you can reach, if they pump you with survey, if you reach 5,000 points within 2 months, like within 1 month, if they pump you survey, like when their studies, when you go back and they have studies, they'll pump you, but it is very rare. Okay, so keep your expectation to like 4 months, 3 to 4 months. If they send you survey, and how often you do the surveys that they send for you, that's what determines when you're going to reach your limits. Okay, and once you reach your limit, you can see the rewards are here. These are the rewards that you can get from yougov. Right, so they can send you £50 to your bank straight, like they send it to your grey account. Like you don't use a Nigeria account to collect this money, you have to open a grey account to collect the money. Okay, so you input your I don't have this thing yet, so once I have 5,000, I can just click on redeem, then I'll input my grade details. Alright, so you can collect any of these gift cards, and then you can be, most the other ones you can get is another easy way is getting the Visa gift card. Yeah, this Visa gift card, you can use it like a normal gift card, or a normal ATM card, and use it to make purchases. Another way to get like is this card. I love this Xbox card. I think out of all the cards there on this yougov, the yougov has is like the one with a better exchange rate. I think the last time I exchanged it was like 11,000. So Amazon gift card is the most useless. Amazon UK. If you carry your money, call your this thing called the say they won't give you 600 per pounds. Pounds that is 1,900, and they are giving 600 per pounds. That's nonsense now. So the best card to get is either you do the transfer or you collect the Xbox gift card, or which other card do they have? Amazon gift card is enough for me. Yeah, I have Visa. Alright, Visa Visa gift card, Visa credit card. All right. I think that's all for that. So in our next video, we talk about another survey, or maybe when YouGov sends me a survey on this account, all right, I will do the survey so you know how to carry out survey. All right. Then subsequently, I will make a video about other survey sites that you can sign up on and make money. All right. Let's go.